Hey guys, welcome back to Chasing Muscle Cars. You might have seen this video that you're getting ready to see posted and then taken down. Well, we got a copyright strike on it, so YouTube didn't like some of the music in the background. So this is the edited version. You could probably tell where I edited it out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and here is the uncopyrighted version. All right, guys, we're back. Day 2. This place is going to be packed today. In fact, yesterday when we left, it was a lot of cars in here, but more came in after we went home, and these guys put in some hours here. So we're going to check out some of these cars today. Also, Bruno's is doing a unveiling of 2 cars today, so we're going to be there for that. It's at like 10 o'clock, so we're going to check that out. So stick around. Hopefully you enjoy the show and you see people you know. Look at this beauty. Would you look at that, huh? So this is a husband and wife team right here. One couple's lucky enough to own both of these rides. Look at that. Sweet, right? Yeah. All right. Let's move on. That's a pretty Chevelle. Nice clean build. Yeah, buddy. Sir, what is it? Oh my goodness, it's dusty in here. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah, all day long that door was open. Check that out. Interior too. Nice. Alright, check this out. Alright guys, and in this section, this is where the copyright was. So I'm just going to do a little voiceover on that and we'll go from there. So this truck is beautiful. I spoke to the gentleman. He watches the channel. Thanks, I appreciate you watching it. And yeah, this truck is just amazing. It's got the roll pin on for the back there. I mean, it's just a beautiful truck. He did a good job on it. We'll check out it a little later. Here's my boy Eddie. Eddie, this car is just beautiful. Motor work was done this year by One Off. He also had brand new interior put in there by Jack Schrader. Awesome car, beautiful. And you all know I love them black Chevelles. Awesome job, buddy. And speaking of One Off Riding Custom, look at this beautiful truck. Amazing. High quality, high end build. This is another one of his cars. Just amazing detail. I mean, it's flawless. Just can't say enough about it. I mean, this is just a beautiful car. Top line, best of the best. Just excellent, excellent. Also, they've started doing a line of polishes and waxes. And if you're into super clean cars, check them out. This bug. So congrats to this dude. He's a UPS man also, but congrats to this dude for winning an award at this show. Awesome bug. Nice job. Super clean ride. Good morning, my friend. How are you? Oh, she shined up, huh? Morning, morning. All right, you guys should probably recognize these people, Brian and Maria, and their badass cars. I mean, look at that. I love the blue and silver on this one. I just like the whole setup they did. The interior, of course, nice. And Maria's car is just beautiful as well. It's classic, good styling. I mean, he does some really nice work. They do some really nice work. So congrats, guys, and they both won as well. Congrats again. All right, we're here for the first car unveiling.
It has custom front loader spoiler.
Jeremy from Bruno's.
And full-length headers with full custom exhaust. Again,
and Bruno's on his way.
Got all these people saying here. Where's he at? Is he coming?
He's right there. Come on. Where's he at? There he is. The man of the hour. Right?
There he is. All right.
All right, you want to count down? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, guys.
Here we go.
Trey, grab the hood.
Again, that is a 1968 Dodge Dart GTS 340. It's a complete resto mod. Well, folks, coming up at 10:30, we're going to have another reveal here in the.
All right, guys, we've seen this one up around our way.
Ladies, it's a great day.
Very pretty.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great day to be inside looking at some great cars. Also walking around, talking to the vendors, taking a look at what they have for sale. And each and every one of you want to come there as well. Toys for Tots. The Marines will be here shortly.
All right, last hour of the show.
Don't bring
Awesome.
your trailers anywhere around the building. Don't bring your trailers anywhere around the building until after the awards or presentation is over. Thank you.
All the lights on this thing. Badass. Stitch interior right there. They do amazing work. Show you some. You saw this the other day, but have a look inside. Look at just the interior work. Love them damn Nomads, man. Got some Thunderbird here. Nice, nice, nice. Continental. Old coupe there. Yeah, so the show is winding down. Been here since Friday morning, and it's Sunday. We got an hour to the award ceremony, and that's it. Then we'll pile out of this damn place. So all these cars have to roll out of here. All displays have to be taken down. And I tell you what, they do it in a couple hours. It's amazing. It takes all the time to set it up, but man, it comes down quick for sure. And since this is the December show, not everybody, but a lot of the cool decorations are Christmas related. And yeah, man, anybody that knows me personally knows that I am a Christmas dude. I light my house up. My wife has a Christmas tree in the kitchen even. So yeah, we definitely love Christmas. Cobra, another one. My buddy over on the other side has a Cobra. It's his father-in-law's, and the one dude's grandfather, and the one lady's father. So yeah, it's the same car, badass Cobra. Good build. And they're amazing fucking painters. Yeah, they are. This one, we've seen this bad boy before. So, all right, we got some red, white, and blue here. I showed that one. So anyway, we're about ready to wrap this show up. And Maryland Chevelle Club was right here. Hold on. Yep, row of Chevelles over there. We'll have a quick look. Another friend of mine, the Richards. They are part of the Maryland Chevelle Club. A lot of nice cars. Back in the day, I had a... What's up, Brian and Maria? Back in the day, I had a 71. I had it for like 20 years. So, 71 Chevelle. So I like Chevelles. Anyway, all right, we will see you on the way out. And, well, what a great show. Motorama. There's one of the guys that make this happen right there, Jason. Awesome show. Thank you, Motorama Events, putting another great show on. So, all right, we'll see you in a bit. There we go. See if I can win that truck right there.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're good, buddy.
Get away from that truck.
I tell you, it was hard to choose because when I ordered this, we had to pick a lot. There was no models, there was no models. Right.
I told you. Trey.
Oh. That was fair. I saw it. That's good.
I called that.
Redraw!
It wasn't rigged.
Congrats.
I saw my eyes.
That's awesome.
Wow.
And he won that right there.
We're gonna go to the other raffle. Oh yeah.
Did you buy tickets? Yeah.
Overdrive Rise of Hanover. All right, that's a wrap on this shoe.
Highly appreciate it. And thank you again. God bless and Merry Christmas.
We're heading back over, start tearing down displays. Hey, congratulations, buddy. Yes. Congrats. Yes. I told you both to take something. Yes. And there it is. How you doing? Best of show right there. Awesome. I mean, this car is just beautiful inside and out. I didn't get any video of it in this one, but I have it in the other one from here, and I mean, very well deserved. Congrats to this gentleman. Awesome. I told him he'd make it. Hey, 2 years in a row. And they're rolling out. All right, while we check out some pictures of this awesome show, I'd like to take this time to thank Motorama Productions, East Coast Indoor Nationals, everybody involved in this. It was a great show. Took the truck to this show, as we all saw, and I really prefer taking the Dreamsicle to these shows. So the next show will be the Drag Fest show, and I will not be taking a vehicle to that show. I will be there, but I will not be taking a vehicle there. So hopefully the videos will be coming out of the Dreamsicle and the status of it and where we're at. So anyway, I will be at these shows. Now we are taking the truck to Motorama. I love that show. It's in February. But for the next coming up show, we will not be taking the truck to it. So look forward to that show. But anyway, I'm rambling on. Thanks, guys. Thanks to the whole Motorama team. And hey, we'll see you at the next one.